Good morning students, welcome to the Vinayak online study. Okay, now today it's your first lecture of physics and just you will remember that your 10th board exams has been finished, okay, and after the very long period of a time after this lockdown. Now from today, from 15th of July, your 11th class studies are going on, okay, and I am there to teach you the subject physics. Okay, now first of all I am telling you why the students are thinking to choose this stream, the science stream. What is the benefits of choosing the science stream? Whenever we have just choose or we have decided to do anything in our life, then we have to be think about that what are the utilizations of these things. That also we have to be remind and we are very much clear about our future, about our aim also. So in this science, first of all when you are choose the science either in the field of bio or in the maths, कुछ भी field आप choose कीजिए, okay. In the both the fields, if you are choosing the maths, then you are just be able not only to do the IIT, no. Some of the students are thinking that choosing the science stream and be in the maths field, only option is that we have to be do IIT, but no. Being a science student, being a technical student, I am just must advise you beta that there is not only one particular way to achieve your success, that if you choose the science stream, the only IIT is there, no beta. Okay, if you are not want to do go in the line of a technical field, then you can do normal BSc also, okay, normal graduation, you can do your B.Ed, post graduation, MSc in which you want to do, okay, like in a physics, in chemistry, in a maths, okay, and in that you can do your PhD, MPhil, whatever you want to do. You will apply for the first grade, second grade, PGT, physics, chemistry, any kind of a teacher, whatever your thinking is there. Secondly, if you choose the maths, means maths stream, then if you are not want to do the what we can say this graduation only, then you can prefer BCA also. BCA, what is BCA? A Bachelor of Computer Application, okay, you can do that also, okay, BCA, then afterward MCA, you are very much do the software work on the computer, okay, then you can get your Java or C, C++, Java, .NET, okay, there are very much many languages are there in the software field, then also you can use that also. Even if you don't want to be go on that line, then engineering is there beta. After doing the engineering, you can do any kind of a stream you can choose beta. What we can see, electrical, electronics, mechanical, aeronautical, okay, and mining engineering is there, and civil engineering is there, IT, computer science, means the branch in which you are thinking that yes, we can move ahead with this branch and this I am capable for this branch only. So you can choose that prefer particular branch for yourself also. Even if you are thinking about not to be in the part of a, we want to be in a part of a technical but not through this engineering, then you can may do your diploma courses also. Okay, after getting a best diploma college, a government college beta, you can do as much as possible as an engineer person can do. Okay, this is all means many ways are there, you can just be move ahead. Don't be think that only a technical field will be there, no beta. If any of a person will be do the graduation only, he or she what they are thinking, I have to crack the IAS exam, I have to crack the RS exam, then we have to choose only art stream, but no, this is not good beta. Just think about that. If you have chosen the science stream, then you are very much get the knowledge about the science field also, okay, then only you have to focus on the what we can say, general knowledge thing, the basic current affairs thing, and that you can easily get by reading any kind of a book and reading daily the newspaper also. But being in the field of a science stream, your thinking will be broad. It will be on the broad level beta. You can just be think about how the personality development we have take place, and what are the thinking of, we can say the what we can say, like the imaginary thinking also we can create in our mind, and we want to make it in a possible sense. Okay, so such kind of a thinking can be do in the science background student only. Okay, so even if you do complete your engineering, you can do your MTech also. Okay, you can even don't want to do MTech, then after doing engineering you can do MBA also. Means there are many kinds of work will be there after taking the science stream. So never, okay, for the biology student also, you can do normal BSc, MSc, B.Ed, whatever if you want to do. You can do your BSc nursing also. There is a dual course of BSc and MSc nursing. You can do, even the BSc and MSc will be nowadays in dual course as like BTech and MTech. If you want to be go in a technical department, then you can choose the biotech beta. Okay, with the help of this biotech, you are be the part with the biology subject, you are be the part of a technical technological department also, technical department also. So means afterwards, if you want to not to do this like this, then you can do B Pharma also, pharmacist also. And there is not only that you have to be crack the NEET, no, you can do the work as you like beta. Just choose your profession by your own. Okay, so there are many ways, many things, means there is a broad process of the success or choosing the field in the science stream. Okay, if you choose the arts only, then what you will do? What? You can do IAS as the BSc student or science stream student can do. You can do RS also. You will not be able to do IES. What is IES? IES. You are not be able to do IES, Indian Engineering Service. Okay. This can only be do by a technical student only, and remember this thing, this is a very high post in the engineering field in India, IES. Okay, remember. So means whatever you want to do, even you can just be think about many of the students will be there. Okay, one more thing, if you want to, if you are choosing the field of what we can say coaching line, okay, then coaching, okay, I am just be telling you, okay, you will do coaching, but what will be the reason behind doing the coaching, not doing the schooling beta? What? Why you are thinking that yes, we have to be go on to move towards the coaching only? Why? That you want to crack IIT or NEET like this? Yes, by doing the schooling also you can crack your IIT and NEET also beta. First, achieve good marks in your board exam. Remember this thing. After achieving the good marks in your board exam, then only you are succeeded in your next level. And cracking of the IIT exam, the NEET exam, all the things, yes, you can, you may do it beta, you will. But think about this. If you are just choosing that stream, then what was the base? The 12th board exam, and you have to pass that 12th board exam with a good percentage, and getting good percentage in the board exam is not even possible with the coaching. No, because the coaching are just giving you the knowledge regarding the objective type questions, only the MCQs question, not giving you theoretical, the subjective knowledge, and the schools are providing you the knowledge of your basic studies of a science stream. Why you have chosen the science? This is the way, this is the path, this is the syllabus. They are just having the syllabus and they are just be go through that. That's it, nothing else. Okay, now if we are discussing about this is all about your choice, your personal choice beta. I am just telling you, you have to move ahead with this. Okay, if your maths is strong, you will choose the maths. Okay, if you are able not being very much as strong in the maths as compared to biology subject, then you may take science bio, nothing else. Okay, now discuss about your first chapter. So your first chapter is your physical world. Your first chapter is physical world. Okay, and in this physical world we must think about that how the science is used in our world around us, the surrounding around us, how it has been used. So first I will telling you how this word originate from. Okay, so remember, so in this chapter number 1, in the physical world, we have to get the basic introduction that what is science, the stream which you have chosen, what does it mean. So remember, the science word has been originate from the Latin verb that is scientia, and it means to know. Scientia means to know. Afterwards, if we are taking this word from the Sanskrit word, that is Vijnan. From Vijnan it will become Vigyan in Hindi. Okay, and if we are taking it from the Arabic, it will be ilm. But remember, the word scientia, Vijnan, Arabic all have the same meaning, that is knowledge. To get the knowledge, all have the same meaning, to get the knowledge. And how we can get this knowledge beta? Just to seeing the world around us. Okay, and from all these things we can just be observe the things, then we can just by our observation we will do the certain experiments on them, and about doing some certain experiment, then we can just be have conclusion, yes this is the conclusion, and afterwards we are just taking no these are the drawbacks, again we are doing our experiment. Okay, and after doing all this experiment, then you may just be take the conclusion that yes this is the conclusion. Okay, so after conclusion then you will be able to get your result, and this is all about the science. You can deal with the natural things, artificial things, living, non-living things, many others, but all the things which are surrounding us, you can deal with that during the study to get the knowledge is your science. Okay, so I will just be telling you, after choosing the stream science, you can just have your broad knowledge, you can just be extend your knowledge at the broad level, that yes what you have been achieved. Even right now you are just be thinking, yes I have to do the engineering, I have to be moved towards this field, doctorate, anything better. Then what? Right now you don't have a perfect knowledge. As you are studying in the science stream, then only you are capable of thinking that yes this is my cup of tea, yes this is my field, this is my stream in which I can do my best. Then you can just be cup of tea means this is your interest. Okay, so through this today I am just be giving you the basic knowledge about the science, that why you have been choose the science, what are the things which you can do in the science stream. Although I am just be giving you the basic introduction of a science, then from tomorrow this is the first chapter, we will continue with this. First chapter is simply the physical world, means about only the basic science, the basic knowledge of physics only. Okay, clear? Thank you. Be regular, share with your friends that the classes will started. Okay, and they also have to be join our classes. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.